This one muscle could be causing all your low back or hip pain. Here's an easy way on how to fix it and give you some relief. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all you beautiful people out there. My name is Dr. J, a physical therapist here to get you out of pain and back into the game of life. The muscle we're talking about today is called your quadratus lumborum, or QL for short. Now, if we look at the picture in my back here, this big red thing, this is the muscle, this is your QL. And it attaches from the top of your pelvis, the top of your hip right here, and it goes up and attaches to the bottom of your ribs and to the side of your lower back called your lumbar vertebrae. And we have one of these muscles on each side of our lower back. The QL muscle can become extremely hyperactive, causing it to go into a guarding state. This can be the result of overuse, compensation due to weakness in other core and hip muscles, or just simply doing something new too quickly that your body isn't used to. When the QL is in a hyperactive state, it can trigger symptoms of low back pain, tightness, soreness, and even muscle spasms. When you're in a lot of pain, you initially want to try to reduce the activity in the muscle and reduce some of the tension and the tightness. Now, this can be done through some self-massaging and some gentle stretching, which we're going to get into next. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos in the future. Now let's get into it. For the self-massage, you want to use something round like a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. I'm going to show you how to perform it standing up and laying down. So what you want to do is to find the muscle. You're going to find the top of your hip bone, the bottom of your ribs, and then right in between, out to the side a little bit from your lower back, from your spine is where that muscle is. If you press into it, it feels sore or tender, and you know you're on the right spot. Then you want to just take the ball, put it in that spot, and lean up against the wall just a little bit. You're not leaning up too hard. And then what you can do is you can massage it up and down, side to side. You can do circles. You can even hold it on a spot that feels really sore for about 10-15 seconds. And then you can do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. When you're doing this, it might feel a little sore, a little tender, like a good type of pain, but you're not trying to press as hard as you can. You don't want any sharp or shooting pain. You can also do the self-massage while you're laying down. Again, you're going to find the muscle and place the ball on the muscle. And then you can just lay down on it and just hang out here for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now this way can be a little bit more aggressive compared to when you're standing up, because you can control how much weight is on the ball. But try both and see whichever one feels better for you. This first stretch is called a ballerina stretch. And what you want to do is, if the pain is on the right side or you're trying to stretch the right side, you're going to put your right foot in front of your left. You're going to put your left hand on your left hip, bend your arm 90 degrees. You're going to lift your arm up over your head as you lean towards the left, and think about shifting your hips a little bit to the right, just until you feel a nice gentle pull, a gentle stretch on the side of your lower back and side of your trunk here. And if you have trouble with your balance, it can help if you want to hold on to something like a chair or even onto the wall. But once you feel that stretch, you can hold that for about 30 seconds. Perform that 3 times. And then if you have pain on your both sides or you want to stretch out the other side, you can do the same thing. Just switch. So cross your left over your right hand on your right hip, left arm up, and then leaning towards the side, pressing your hips out towards the left. You can also stretch out the muscle while you're sitting. Now, a couple different ways you can do this. If you have access to either a long mop or a long broom, I think you can get a better stretch. And then what you want to do is put it down on the chair and reach up all the way to the top. And then in this position, you can lean forward, tilt a little bit to your side, and turn. And you should get a nice stretch all throughout that QL muscle here. It's also a good stretch for your shoulder. Now, if you don't have something like this, you can still perform the stretch. And then what you would do is just put one hand on your thigh. You can lift your opposite arm up, lean a little bit to the side and forward. And again, you'll get a stretch in that area. For all these stretches, I'd recommend holding them for about 30 seconds, and then you can perform them a couple times throughout the day. In the next video, I'll go over exactly how to strengthen your QL muscle, as well as the surrounding core and hip musculature to make sure that your pain doesn't come back. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you deserve peace, not pain.